If your car key isn't turning in the ignition, first, check to make sure your vehicle is in park. If it is, check the key for damage. If the key is warped, worn, or cracked, it may not work correctly. For a worn key, try pulling the key back slightly as you turn it, or gently wiggling it back and forth in the ignition. Eventually, you'll need to replace the key. For bent keys, you may be able to fix the problem by gently pounding the key flat with a rubber mallet. Dirt or debris on the key may also prevent it from turning, so clean the key if you notice anything sticking to it. If there's nothing wrong with the key, try turning the steering wheel to check if it's locked. If so, you can unlock it by wiggling the wheel back and forth while turning the key in the ignition. Sometimes the key won't work right if there's something wrong with the ignition port itself. Spray compressed air into the port to clear out dust and debris. You can also try spraying in a little electrical cleaner to lubricate the keyhole. If that doesn't work, you may need to get the ignition cylinder replaced.